Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find privacy protection. Now let's find special permissions, and here localize install unknown apps. And as you can see, here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And basically, all you have to do in order to change it, so for example, in order to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. As you can see, right here we've got the danger screen, let's say. So here your device is informing you that some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually your whole device at risk. So remember about that. You will have to take this option that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. As you can see, this option is currently turned on, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, so for example, I don't know, the calendar, any other browsers, the Google Drive and so on. Of course, you can remove all previously given permissions, just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.